let me learn third comprehensive problem on admission of a problem. Look at the board. Sum number 3. The balance sheet of Rekha and Mary on 31st March 2018 is as follows. Liability side, capitals are given. General reserve, workman compensation fund, creditor are given. Asset side, building, stock, debtor, cash at banks are given. They share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:1. So old profit sharing ratio is given 3:1. They admit Kavita into the firm for 1/4 share, which she gets entirely from Rekha. So there are two partners, existing partner, of which the new partner is getting sacrificed from only one partner. She is Rekha. So entirely sacrificed by one partner. Yes. Conditions of admission. Kavita shall bring capital of rupees 20,000. Her share of goodwill valued at 4,000. She could not bring cash towards goodwill. So new partner share of goodwill valued 4,000. She could not bring. She doesn't bring her share of goodwill. Yes. Then depreciate building by 10%. So asset value decreases. It is a loss item. Stock to be valued at given. We have to compare. Already stock how much? 8,000. Now valued at 6,000. It is also loss because the stock is asset value decreases. It's a loss. Then create 5% as provision for bad and doubtful debts on debtor. So bad and doubtful debts creation is a loss to the business. Prepare necessary ledger account and balance sheet. Okay, we have to prepare revaluation account, capital account, bank account and balance sheet of reconstituted firm. First, we are going to prepare revaluation account. For revaluation account preparation, we have to consider the adjustment. We have to pick revaluation loss item and profit item. Look at the problem. Here the first depreciate building by 10%. It is a loss item. Building how much? 50,000 on that 10%. How much? 5,000. It is a loss item. So revaluation account debit side to buildings. 50,000, 10%, 5,000. Then stock to be valued at 6,000. Already value how much? 8,000. Now 6,000. So stock decreased by 2,000. To stock 2,000. Then create 5% as provision for bad debts on debtor. So debtor 60,000. On that 5% is 3,000. So new provision for bad and doubtful debts is provision for bad and doubtful debts 5% on debtor. So 3,000. So our total loss item 10,000 rupees. Here debit side total exceeds the credit side total. So now we are getting revaluation loss. Balancing figure. It should be transferred to the old partner, namely Rekha and Mary. In old ratio given in the problem 3:1. So 10,000 into 3/4, 10,000 into 1/4. So 7,500 goes to Rekha, 2,500 goes to Mary. Then we are going to prepare capital account. Here there are three partners, Rekha, Mary and Kavita. Okay. Now we should go through the problem from beginning to end. Liability side, capitals are given. Capital goes to the capital account credit side by balance PD. Opening capitals, Rekha 50,000, Mary 30,000. Next, general reserve should be transferred to the partner capital account by general reserve. It should be transferred to old partner capital account in old ratio. Ratio is 3:1. The value 40,000. So 30,000 goes to Rekha, 10,000 goes to Mary. Then workman compensation fund, we do not have any adjustment, so we can transfer entire workman compensation fund to the existing partner. So by workman compensation fund, it should be transferred to the old partner in old ratio. 10,000 should be divided in 3:1. So 7,500 goes to Rekha, 2,500 goes to Mary. Then here profit and loss account not given in the liability side as well as in the asset side. So we can go to the adjustment. Kavita shall bring capital of rupees 20,000. Already we have bank account. So what is the entry? Bank account data to Kavita capital. So by bank recorded in the Kavita column. Value 20,000. Next, very important, Her share of goodwill valued at 4,000. She could not bring. If she brings entries, cash account data to old partner, it should be divided in the sacrifice ratio. But here she could not bring. So instead of cash, we should give debit to the new partner capital. So the entry is, I am going to record entry for this. Kavita capital account data to old partner, namely Rekha capital and Mary capital. 4,000 rupees her share of goodwill. Here the goodwill should be shared by old partner in sacrifice ratio. In this case, we need not to find the sacrifice ratio because entirely sacrificed by Rekha. So no sacrifice given by Mary. So for her, we should not transfer goodwill. The entire goodwill should be transferred to the Rekha. So the entry is Kavita account data to Rekha capital and Mary capital. For Mary, we should not give any share of goodwill from Kavita. We should give entire goodwill to Rekha because entire sacrifice by Rekha. For that, we have to give posting in the capital account. Here for this, debit side and credit side, both sides shows capital, so it will give a contra entry. So here to Rekha capital goes to Kavita. Then by Kavita capital goes to Rekha. Yes, students. Next, depreciate building by 10%. It is recorded in revaluation account. Stock recorded in the revaluation. Provision for doubtful debts also recorded in the revaluation account. Then we should transfer revaluation loss to the capital account. So to revaluation account. So for Rekha 7,500, for Mary 2,500. Now I am going to balance this. Here for Rekha 91,500. For Mary 42,500. For Kavita 20,000. 91,500, 42,500, 20,000. So Kavita balance amount is 16,000. Kavita balance amount is 16,000. Mary balance amount is 40,000. Next, for Rekha balance amount is 84,000. By balance BD, Rekha 84,000, Mary 40,000, Kavita 16,000. This capital goes to the balance sheet. Then I am going to prepare bank account. Our existing bank balance is 32,000. Then the new partner Kavita brought capital to Kavita capital. Kavita brought how much? 20,000. So new partner, she doesn't bring capital, so we can close this. 52,000. So our bank balance is 52,000 by balance CD. Now I am going to prepare balance sheet. We'll go from asset side. First one buildings. Buildings have adjustment. So total building value 50,000 minus depreciation 10%, 5,000. So balance 45,000. Next, stock. Our old value 8,000, new value is 6,000. So decreased 2,000. Balance 6,000. Then debtor, our old value 60,000, of which provision for bad and doubtful debts we should create at 5% on 60,000, 3,000. So balance 57,000. Then bank. We need not to take old balance, we will take the new balance. New balance how much? 52,000. Then come to liability side. Capital accounts. Partners are Rekha, Mary, Kavita. We'll take new capital 84,000, 40,000 and 16,000. Value 1,40,000. The general reserve fully transferred to the old partner capital account. Workman compensation also transferred to the old partner capital account. It will not come to the new balance sheet. Then creditor. Creditor's value 20,000. Then we'll go through the adjustment. Kavita capital 20,000. It is credited in the capital account and debited in the bank account. Then the new partner goodwill, she doesn't bring. What we have to do? It will be debited in the Reka capital, debited in the Kavita capital, credited in the Reka capital. Then depreciate building, included in loss item and deducted from building. Stock, included in loss item, then deducted from stock. Provision for doubtful debts, included in loss item, deducted from debtor. So we consider all the adjustments. Now I am going to balance it. So our liability side total 1,60,000. Asset side total also 1,60,000. Students, in this case, we need not to find sacrifice ratio because the entire sacrifice is given. If entire sacrifice is given, we need not to find sacrifice ratio. The new partner goodwill fully transferred to the person who sacrificed. Students, we completed 3 problems. Next class, we will solve one more problem in relation to admission on partners. Till then, bye and thank you.